What's up, guys? Today we're gonna be playing some Unturned with my homie Iron. Say what's up, Iron.
I'm good.
He's good. Alright. So, yeah, today we're going as bandit life, I guess, because you shouldn't trust people nowadays. Because
Wait a minute.
killed a lot.
This is unprofessional, but what are you doing?
What?
I think I might be the wrong group. Dude, shh.
Oh my god. I found an AK.
Dude, shh. I'm about to kill this guy. I have a gun. He has a gun. And lots of clothes.
Oh, okay. I was about to say, wait, be careful, that might be me. But it's not me. I'm going
I
to
died.
die. I'm gonna freeze to
Oh,
death.
dude, by White Horse.
I'm going into White Horse.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Whereabouts? Where from?
The entrance?
Yeah, but like from the south or the north or by the docks or where? Whereabouts?
From the north, I believe. No, from the south. From the south.
Oh, I'm coming in by the police station. I mean the fire station.
I have to drop this and.
Oh no, I got a zombie on me already. Oh yeah, I found a hatchet.
Okay, we're not in the same group, but just don't kill me. I'm at the post office.
Okay.
I have guns.
Dude, I found a hatchet for you.
Oh, it's okay. I have lots of guns.
Oh.
I just found them at the front of my head. Are there any clothes? Really?
I have a top. But that's it.
This is bullcrap. I found guns and stuff.
Checking the police station. Oh yay, trousers. And then another top. Oh yeah, boom boom. That's good. That's good. That's really good.
Well, guys, you just saw me kill someone.
And I'm no longer cold. Oh no, lag.
I just killed someone, dude.
Oh god, I'm low on health. Oh no. 31% health, dude, I'm gonna die. Dude, where are you now?
I'm inside a house looking for clothes. Oh my gosh. This is me. This is me. This is me right here. Look, are you the look?
Kill
Here.
those zombies. Yeah, this is me. I see you. I'm almost dead.
Well, I just killed a guy inside there. Go grab some of his loot.
Okay, I'm just gonna kill the zombie. I'm at 18% health. I'm gonna need to practice. That's you shooting, right?
Yeah.
Knew it.
Well, I just got a message on Steam and my game got low. Like, okay, good.
Oh, I did.
Thank
Dude,
you.
here. Take this. Take this hatchet. Take the hatchet on the floor.
Alright, give me a sec. Give me a sec.
I'm gonna go to the practitioner.
I need to get a hat now. Oh god, oh god, oh god, oh god, oh god.
Oh, wait. Oh, dude, I have a toque for you. If you can make it to the practitioner.
Alright.
Oh, no, dude, I'm so dead.
I got you, I got you. Just run, run. Don't let him hit you.
There's a bandage. Antibiotics.
Take
Yes,
it.
cough syrup. Bandage. Dude, cover me whilst I heal myself.
Yep.
Oh, yeah, dude. Here's the toque. There's a toque on the floor there.
Oh my gosh, thank you. Oh!
Oh, God.
Give me a
Dude, how much
bandage or
health do you
something. I am low as frig.
How much?
I'm on 28. Okay, now 43, thank you.
You're welcome.
No problem. I mean, what the frig? I said no problem.
Look, dude.
So,
How low are you? Are you like low as like really, 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 really low? Or?
no, I'm good. I'm good. I'm good.
Okay.
Okay, come over here with me. Follow me, follow me. I'm gonna take you to the
Yeah, I'm following you.
guns. I'm sorry. I really gotta up my, what do you call it? My thing.
Your volume, or
Not my volume. I can hear pretty well.
I think I just got a cold from you.
I think
Oh,
it's the
dude, this bed
winter.
isn't clean. I just came to bed near White Horse.
Nice.
So if I die,
Alright, good.
ooh,
There's a bunch of stuff scattered around here.
wait, is there a feast in this?
Yeah, because I
Oh, that's cool. I
spawned
need that
right.
cobra box.
Oh, I have a cobra mag, I think. No, I
Oh
do
yeah,
not.
if you get a cobra box, I could have cobra.
Okay,
Ooh,
hey,
there's
there's
another cobra on
one.
the floor.
Yeah. Okay,
Yeah.
let's continue to move.
Yes.
Give me a
Let's
second.
go, dude.
Give me a second. Give me a second. Cover me real quick. I gotta
Okay.
up my volume for a second. I think I just tabbed out. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, I'm good. I'm good. Video's good. All right, let's go. Let's get the frig out of here, cause we
Wait,
could
dude.
be wanted.
I just need you to cover me for like 30 to a minute. 30 seconds to a minute, okay?
Okay, come over here. Where are you at? Okay, I see
I'm
you.
by a tree.
I see you. Just saying, that's a tree facing a road. Not the best of ideas, but hey. No friggin' way. No friggin' way. No friggin' way. I refuse to believe that. No friggin' way. Dare give away. 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 Dare give away.
Back.
Okay.
So, the feast is beginning at off limits in 5 minutes. Where is off limits? Oh, there,
Uh.
dude. Do you want to go to off limits?
Oh
Wait,
yeah.
where are you? Oh, there you are.
Wait, what gun do you
Let's go,
have?
dude.
What gun do you
You have
have?
a 60
Oh,
chance.
here, I have a
You just
scope
take
for you.
the count.
I have a scope for you.
Do you have any civilians?
No, I do not.
There's 4 bullets in this.
No, I have no civilian ammo. Let's go.
So, rebels. Let's go murder everyone.
Yep. Right. If Nelson ever adds like handcuffs in the game, that'd be so
That'd
good.
be so
Cause then I don't have to kill on sight. Cause I don't like to kill on sight.
I don't like to kill that either, but
Yeah, but it's the only option you have if you don't know the person real. Cause people are just people.
yeah.
Like if
Oh,
I don't, like if I have like civilian type gear, I just go up and try to be friendly. But if I have military gear, I'm not trying to be friendly no more. Cause
oh, and I just
that's
need
how
to
you
eat.
die. Oh my gosh, where's my hunger going?
Wait, dude, how much hunger do you have?
50.
Wait, did you pick up a military drum? I thought you did.
Nope, I
I
don't
thought I saw
have
you pick up a military drum.
a military drum. No.
No, not a military drum, a ranger drum, sorry.
Yeah, I have. Cause I
Why
have
don't
a.
you put it in
I,
your gun then?
okay. Because I have a good amount of ammo on this mag still, so I'm not
Okay.
ready to swap it out yet.
I'm gonna check up. I'm just gonna see what's up here.
Okay. And
Oh,
if
wait,
any
wait.
of you guys are thinking, why the hell isn't this guy playing on Washington? It's because my computer is not that amazing, and playing on Washington when I go into
Dude, you
Seattle
scared
it
me.
lags. So
Yeah, once he gets his computer sorted, we'll be playing on Washington.
Wake your ass up, nigga.
Like,
Wake your
I'm
ass
really
up.
really good
playing much
map
for the
where
Wake
I'm
game.
your ass
sat.
up, nigga. Wake your ass up. Wake your ass up,
So,
nigga.
yeah.
Wake your ass up. Wake your ass up, nigga. Wake your ass up, nigga. Wake your ass up. Wake your ass up, nigga. Wake your ass up. Wake your ass up, nigga. Wake your ass up. Wake your ass up, nigga. Okay. Wake your ass up, nigga. Wake your ass up.
Wait, dude, where are we going?
Come to the road.
Oh, that's what I see. Wait. Stand still. Do stand still. Yeah, that's you. Hey, dude. So where do you want to go?
We're heading to off limits.
Oh, yeah.
Mount Logan? Okay, yeah.
Why am I getting so hungry?
I don't know. My character is doing that too.
It's weird.
I think it's because like it's winter or something, not sure.
Maybe.
I'm gonna put it into my vitality though.
The only piece of food that I had was chips. That's all I had.
Damn. We gotta go looking for food then.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, I see. Dude, technically I can kill either 4 people or 2 people. Depends how much health they're on. Because if they're at, like, full health, it will take 2 shots to the head.
Yeah.
So they'll die. So, yeah.
Remember, this is not an easy server. We're playing on normal, so.
Oh.
Yeah. Yep.
Okay.
I forgot to pick up the hatchet. Can you take him out?
Yeah, I got it, dude. So you didn't pick up the hatchet that I gave you?
Yeah, I forgot to pick it up.
But I guess the campax is just as good as the hatchet. Oh yeah, it's got full clip. Oh wait, you do have a campax now.
Yeah, I just picked it up.
Got it. Oh yes, dude! He just shot the whole cam mag.
Sweet.
The hell?
How many bullets do you
8
have
bullets.
Nice.
Okay, so apparently I have 4. I can carry the full mag though. So that's what I'm gonna do, I think. So now I have 1 full mag and 1 empty mag.
Nice. Sounds
Yeah.
like you're progressing there, my bro.
Yeah. Dude, if we could go to BO Fort Bay, I know there's a guy there because he killed me.
Alright.
Ooh, 12 gauge shells. But let's just go to off limits first. Let's go to the feast.
Alright, keep going. Let's go.
Okay, which way?
This way we're running.
Okay, this way.
Keep running that way and I'll meet you there.
I don't have any fuel. I don't like how it's cold.
I think the map is what's doing this.
Oh wait, shh. Do you want to take out that there? I mean the moose.
No. Just keep moving.
Okay. Do that silently, dude.
Get on your couch, bro. Couch. We're walking through an open field right now.
Yeah. We're going out. Hey, we got a moose there.
Yeah, just leave him alone. Run.
Question, do you play in first person or third person? Wait a minute.
I play in first, but I usually, when I'm driving, I go into third.
Oh, because when I got like snipers, I know I'll play in first person, or when I got like a machine gun or like an assault rifle, I'll be in third.
Nice. You've received 50 bits in salary for being a guest. Okay.
Oh god, do you have any food?
No, I do not. Why? What happened?
I'm at 41% food. Food, I really need food, dude.
Alright. Let's get the off limits and see what's there.
Don't really want to use these eggs, but if I have to.
If they're still,
Wait,
I
dude,
guess.
get down, get down. Dude, get down.
Down.
Let's just saw a fire truck. There's a fire truck right there.
Yes,
Campsite.
yeah. That's not a campsite. That's a mine.
Or whatever.
I'll move up. Just cover me.
Okay. Check. Let me make sure the gas can has any fuel. Check to make sure the gas can doesn't have any fuel.
Yeah, it's got 21 fuel in it. Come up. You're good.
600 bits. So to buy a honey badger, it costs 600 bits to buy and gives you 25 bits when you sell it.
Oh.
I only have 170. Dude, how many bits do you have?
I have 5,137.
Can you buy me a honey badger?
How do you buy stuff?
Just type in chat/buy.
And then honey badger?
Yeah.
Hold up.
Yeah, dude, I think I'm gonna have to eat the eggs. It should be in your inventory.
Alright, hold up.
Yay! Oh, wait. Oh, dude, there's a chainsaw on the ground if you want it. Do you have any, like, military ammunition or anything like that?
Nope.
How about a mag? Oh, what? There's no ammo in this gun.
Let's go. Wait, no. Don't get in that car yet. Remember where it is. Okay, yeah, we have to drive this motherfucker. Okay. Alright, let's go. Do. Should be called.
Wait, dude, you know what the ID for the military magazine is?
Yeah, it's 15 or something.
No, it's not 15. That's medical kit.
Try 6.
16.
6. Oh my god,
Just 6.
I said it 3 times. I don't want to go to
Yes,
hell.
got military mag. It only costs. It costs 30 bits. So I'm gonna buy one more. No, I'm gonna buy 2 more. Okay, so I only have 50 bits left.
Give me a second. The frig, my shift tab is not working. Okay.
It's so hard to see what's in there.
Move up with caution, please.
Oh no, dude.
Alright, get down. What you're gonna do is get down now. I see a guy.
Oh, no, that's a zombie.
You sure?
I see a zombie.
Is he by like a window?
Yes. Yeah.
That's me. Reloading.
Yeah, I heard. Why is there a deer?
I don't know.
Okay, dude, let's move up.
Careful.
I'm just catching up to you, dude. What was that? Was that a viper?
Yeah.
Oh, dude. No, 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 no. I'm about to die of food loss. Dude, I'm only at 23% food.
Alright, we're gonna have to kill a deer or something.
Yeah. Dude, take out all the zombies that come.
Oh
What's
my
this?
god. Yo, run, run, run. I can't.
Oh no.
Run.
I'm shooting. So low.
Ooh, look, a military man thingy.
That's mine. Wait, no, you can have it, dude.
Oh, really? Okay.
Yeah.
What's the ID for a Viper mag?
I have no. Oh, that's a lifesaver.
What'd you find?
Vaccine.
Good stuff. Wait, no. Oh my gosh, don't use it. Do not use it.
I just used it. I have one though.
Okay,
I
good.
still have one left.
Good. Keep it like that. Come with me. Where did you say the
Yes.
deer? Oh, hoo. We got a Hulk zombie in there, bro.
Dude, I am actually gonna die of food.
Don't worry. I got you. I'm putting on this shirt
Only
here.
5 minutes left in that mag.
Look,
Where's the
I'm
Hulk?
wearing an orange
Oh.
shirt right now.
Wow.
Huh?
I said wow. Dude, someone's probably gonna have heard the shots and just come rushing towards us.
Hey, come over here. Come over here.
I'm just checking his food.
No, there's food over here. Come over here.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
11. Dude,
It's raw,
if I
but eat it.
eat that,
Eat it, and then use a vaccine. That's why I told you keep it. Hulk zombie in there.
Oh, that's in my life. I'll eat one more. And then I'll use the vaccine.
Do you know the ID for the Viper bag?
I have no idea.
Shit.
Dude, you want to take out this Hulk zombie?
Hell no.
Why not?
Okay, fine.
Okay.
You're not allowed. Oh,
Oh, no,
Jesus.
Uh-oh.
Run.
Get ready.
Holy
Are
crap.
there TPs?
I don't think so.
No, there aren't. Oh, just suicide.
Holy crap, he dropped MREs and stuff.
No, I didn't. Oh, he.
Yeah.
Oh, he did. Well, that's good, isn't it? After I had to die, basically. Dude,
Yeah?
I can't respawn.
The frick you mean you can't respawn?
I can't respawn. I'm clicking respawn and I can't respawn.
Joking.
No, I'm not.
Wow.
I know. Stop. Do you want to go on a different server? I can't even exit the game. I have to completely exit the entire of Unturned.
Yeah, leave unturned and rejoin. I got you covered. I'll stay at your body.
Dude, do you want to go on a different server?
Nah, I like this server.
Okay.
Holy crap, yo. That Hulk zombie took so much ammo.
I know. It literally I had to use an entire magazine.
I used like almost 50 shots.
Yeah, because I used most of my ammo to kill him. I used most of my ammo to weaken him first. Someone just sent me a message. Hold on.
Mr. Direct Lock a shot Billy with the Glock. This body's still lying there. I did it. I don't care. Mr. Direct Lock a shot Billy with the Glock.
Okay.
Left his body lying there. Yeah, I did it. I don't care. Bruh.
Yeah.
Well, okay guys, I'll end the video here and we'll have a next video up soon. Peace.